recording now. See the family love? Hold on, let me get out your way.
Help, dear.
Oh, hold on, let me move. Hey, get your hands off his throat. Two boys on one girl. Y'all suck. Autumn, you see this?
It's pretty bad.
And Bob, we got two boys ganging up on a girl in here. Autumn. Oh, and then he's sitting on her. Oh, wait a minute. Okay.
Don't get the Amazon up. Don't get the Amazon up. You'll all get hurt.
Oh, damn. I know that had to hurt.